Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can keyless start your BMW for free. Now then, this video is going to apply to any BMW that comes with a key fob. As you can see, this is my key fob right here. Traditionally, what you do is insert this into the slot. You would hold down the start button while holding down the clutch or the brake pedal, and then your car would fire up. But today I'm going to show you how you can start your car without even having this thing in the slot. Now then, if you have the comfort access, you do not even need to have this key fob anywhere near this slot right here. As long as you have the key fob in the car, for example in your pocket, all you need to do is push down the brake or the clutch pedal and push down the start stop button and it will fire up. But I actually don't have the comfort access, so to start my car up I actually need to insert this into the slot. So I'll do that right now. As you can see, lights will come on. I'll push the button once for the ignition to come on, and then I'll have to push down on the clutch pedal and then push the button, and as you can see, it will start. Now pay very close attention to what I'm about to do next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the engine off, pull out the key, push down the clutch pedal, and then push the button, and as you can see, it fires straight up and the key is not even in the slot. And as you can see, everything still works fine. You can go ahead and drive the car now, and the key fob is not even in its slot. Now how does this work, you may ask? Now when you insert your key fob into the slot, it actually powers up your CAS, your car access system, and this will remain powered up for as long as you have your key fob in the slot. It will also remain powered up for around 10 to 15 seconds after you remove your key fob as well. So providing that you hit the start button again within 10 to 15 seconds of removing your key fob, you will actually still be able to start your engine. Now I'm pretty sure the main reason why BMW chose to have this feature was to prevent carjacking. So let's say, for example, you're stopped at some traffic lights, you have your window rolled down and someone reaches in and grabs your key fob. It then gives you the ability to fire your engine straight back up and drive away. You know, you do not need your key fob in the slot. As long as you hit that start button within 10 to 15 seconds of the key being removed, you can still go ahead and drive away, you know, potentially saving your life and in fact saving your car from being stolen as well. So if you wasn't aware of this feature, then I hope this video has been somewhat helpful to you. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one.